If Microsoft Family Safety is running on your Windows 11 computer and you want to turn it off, I'm going to show you step by step how to disable it quickly and easily. Let's start. First, go to the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Services and open the Services app. Once the Services window opens, click on any service in the list just to activate the panel. Then press the letter C on your keyboard to quickly jump to services that start with that letter. Look for the service related to parental controls, usually connected to Microsoft Family Safety. When you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, you'll see an option called Startup Type. It may be set to Manual. Click on it and change it to Disabled. Then click Apply and OK and close the Services window. Now we're going to stop the process completely. Go back to the Start menu and type Task Manager. Open it. Inside Task Manager, go to the Processes tab. Press the letter 1 on your keyboard to quickly scroll to processes that start with what for anything related to family, safety, or parental controls. When you find it, right-click on it and select End Task. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Microsoft Family Safety on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tips.